So here's another example of a discriminant question, and we know it's a discriminant type question because it's talking about how many solutions or how many roots there are to a quadratic equation. So let's read out the question. It says, find the values of k for which 2x squared plus kx plus 8 equals 0 has one root or one solution. So, as usual, to work out the discriminant, i.e. b squared minus 4ac, we need to know what a, b, and c are. So, a is, 2, the number in front of x squared, b is k, the number in front of x, and c is the constant 8 at the end over there. Obviously, this whole quadratic has to be equal to 0 before you can work out what a, b, and c are. So a is 2, b is k, c is 8. Stick that into b squared minus 4ac. That gives you b squared minus 4ac is k squared minus 64. Now, we know that if you only have one root or one solution to a quadratic, that means your discriminant is equal to 0. So that means k squared minus 64 is equal to 0, and therefore k is either positive 8 or minus 8. Now, if you're wondering how I know that b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, I explained that in a previous video to do with the discriminants. So watch that one.